Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by getting the minimal tools, a code editor app that runs JavaScript files and a sync method so code persists. Once installed, create a new project folder and add index. HTML and script. JS immediately. This gets you executing quickly. Make sure you set file permissions and enable external keyboard if available to speed typing. Connect the editor to iCloud or Git so you can push changes. This immediate setup removes friction and lets you run your first JS tests fast. Once done with files, run a lightweight local server inside the editor or via an app that serves HTTP. This avoids file / issues. Then open Safari or the editor preview and load index. HTML, watch console logs for errors. Make sure you can access the developer console. Enable experimental web inspector if needed. Use breakpoints and console. Log statements to inspect values. Source maps help if you transpile. This approach gives you real-time feedback and clarifies why code behaves the way it does. You finish by committing code, syncing to your repository, and testing across browsers to confirm behavior. If modern syntax breaks on iPad, transpile with Babel or use polyfill so features run reliably. This explains compatibility differences. When deployment fails, check server port, app permissions, and whether the preview app requires explicit network access. Restart the server or app if necessary. One key troubleshooting tip: if console remains empty, reload with cache cleared and reopen the web inspector to capture errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.